Are you struggling to find the best sources of omega-3s on a vegan diet? You're not alone. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health, but finding them in plant-based foods can be challenging. Flax seeds and flaxseed oil are among the richest sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can yield numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and digestive support. Chia seeds are another excellent plant-based source of ALA, offering benefits for both heart and mental health. These versatile seeds can be added to smoothies, desserts, and salads, enhancing both flavor and nutritional value. Hemp seeds and hemp seed oil provide a favorable ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, essential for heart health. Walnuts are the highest food source of ALA, making them a top choice for increasing omega-3 intake on a vegan diet. Seaweed and algae offer direct sources of DHA and EPA, essential omega-3 fatty acids typically found in fish oil. Incorporating seaweed and algae into a vegan diet can significantly enhance overall health and support brain function. Vegan omega-3 supplements derived from algae, flaxseed, chia seeds, and hemp seed can provide the benefits of omega-3s for heart health. Algal oil supplements are an excellent source of high-quality DHA and EPA omega-3 fatty acids derived directly from microalgae. Flaxseed oil supplements are rich in ALA, supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. Chia seed oil supplements are recognized as the highest plant-based omega-3 supplement available. Hemp seed oil supplements offer a healthy ratio of omega-3 to omega-6, promoting overall health. DHA and EPA supplements derived from algae provide a direct source of these essential omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 supplements, particularly vegan options, offer a wide range of benefits essential for maintaining heart health. One significant benefit of vegan omega-3 supplements is their ability to reduce inflammation, a key contributor to cardiovascular health issues. These essential fatty acids help regulate inflammation and support cardiovascular health by influencing the production of eicosanoids. Vegan omega-3 supplements have been shown to effectively lower triglyceride levels, contributing to improved heart health. Studies indicate that regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids can lead to a notable decrease in triglyceride concentrations. One recent study highlighted that participants who incorporated vegan omega-3 into their diets experienced a substantial reduction in triglyceride levels. Consuming vegan omega-3 supplements can also help lower blood pressure and enhance cardiovascular health. Research conducted by scientists found that participants who incorporated omega-3 into their diets experienced significant reductions in blood pressure. Regular intake of vegan omega-3 supplements may reduce the risk of heart disease, making them an important component of a disease prevention health regime. Numerous studies show that individuals who include omega-3s in their diet tend to have lower triglyceride levels and improved overall heart function. Consider incorporating flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts into your diet for excellent sources of Alabama. Nordic Naturals Algae Omega is a highly rated vegan omega-3 supplement providing essential omega-3 fatty acids DHA and EPA. Deva Vegan Omega-3 DHA EPA is a high-potency omega-3 fatty acid supplement derived from algae. Garden of Life Manami Platinum Omega-3 Vegan DHA offers a high-quality source of DHA derived from microalgae. Omega-3 vegetarian/vegan Omega-3 DHA EPA provides a balanced ratio of DHA and EPA, promoting heart health. Source Naturals Vegan Omega-3's EPA DHA are formulated to support heart health by providing essential omega-3 fatty acids derived from algae.